most of you don't know, Ulster-Scots has words for certain species of birds. So for today's Word in Your Lug, I decided to come to Castle Espie, a wetland nature reserve on the shores of Strangford Lough in County Down. Liam, we're surrounded by a quair clatter, maybe it's a quair wheen of birds here today, but you want to tell me about a few species in particular.
Yes, but before we get to that, we should acknowledge that we owe a debt to our feathered friends for a very popular word in Ulster-Scots derived from the bird's beak, which we render as beck and use instead of people's mouth.
So, shut your beak.
Yes, or quit stuffing your beak.
So these particular species that you wanted to talk about, what are they?
Well, a couple that you might know from this area here, curlew we would call a whap, and cruel people might say if you had a big nose, they would say you had a neb on you like a whap.
Well, now there's no need to get personal, Liam, but I'll let that one slide.
In a wetland like this, you might also see a snipe, which would be known as a heatherbleat. And if you ever see a magpie, that's a pyyet in Ulster-Scots.
Do you salute magpies?
No, I'm not familiar with that particular superstition, but I'm familiar with the rhyme. Jane, listen, we'll hit you fly.
And you think you're the boss, do you?